Greetings, friends. Watch refrigeration news for Tuesday, December 28, 2021 on our channel. Enrollment for the second AEFYT Refrigeration Course is now open. ROCA project, technical workshops in Burkina Faso, Mali and Senegal. Secop's new SLVE18CN propane variable speed compressor application studies. So, first news today. Enrollment for the second AEFYT Refrigeration Course is now open. AEFYT, Association of Cold Companies and Their Technologies, opens the registration for the second online refrigeration course, one of the most extensive and complete training programs of the representative cold association in Spain. The course, taught in mixed modality online with live sessions, will begin on January 21 and will close on December 15, 2022, adding 350 teaching hours. Read more the news on our website today. Second news today. ROCA project, technical workshops in Burkina Faso, Mali, and Senegal. The ROCA project is looking back at an intense month. Kickoff workshops were held in Senegal, Burkina Faso and Mali with relevant stakeholders. They laid the basis for pilot projects, trainings and advisory activities to be implemented in the coming years. ROCA is co-financed by the European Union, EU, and the Federal Ministry for Economic Cooperation and Development, BMZ, and implemented by GIZ with local partners. Read more the news on our website today. Third news today. Secop's new SLVE18CN propane variable speed compressor application studies. The light commercial refrigeration market is driven by the new energy regulations, such as eco-design in Europe and the transition to low GWP refrigerants, like F-gas regulation in EU. This means installations in food retail, food service require more efficient green solutions both in LBP and MBP applications. 2 different applications have been optimized and tested. Study 1, Vertical Multi-Deck Cooler for Supermarket, Food Retail MBP Applications. Study 2, Stainless Steel Freezer for Professional, Food Service LBP Application Results achieved. Study 1, Fixed Speed Drive Compressor 27. Read more the news on our website today. That's all. Share the news with your friends. Join Refrigeration Group on Facebook and LinkedIn. Please find the links below.